The Chocoformer is a 3D printer that creates high-quality three-dimensional figures from chocolate. It offers great opportunities when making cakes, sweets, and any other products that use chocolate. The device is pretty simple to use. First, the crushed chocolate is placed in a special steam generator, which heats the mass and brings it to the proper consistency. It also has an automatic temperature control system to keep the chocolate melted. Then you need to fill it into the tank of the print unit and use the software to create the image. The tank can hold up to 300 grams of melted chocolate, but can be refilled if necessary without interrupting the printing process. Finally, the dispenser will start to extrude the chocolate through the nozzle and form the 3D figure layer by layer. There's no need to worry about cleaning either. All parts of the printer are suitable for the dishwasher. Interestingly, Chocoformer was developed in Switzerland, a country famous for its chocolate. Now its creators are looking for partners to mass-produce the printer. It causes serious damage to the environment while continuing to increase production every year. Many people know this, but are not ready to give up meat because they're so used to its taste and appearance. But the engineers of Redefined Meat have found a solution to this problem. The technology they developed makes it possible to create a product that looks, tastes, and smells exactly like meat, but without killing animals. They use 3D printing technology to create this product. The printer loads a special composition of plant-based protein, which completely imitates the texture of meat, including the muscle and the fat. The resulting plant-based meat can be cooked exactly the same way as real meat, on a grill or a barbecue. However, according to Redefined Meat, their products have 95% less environmental impact and are cholesterol-free. At least that's the idea that inspired Blue Rhapsody. This company produces a unique collection of 3D printed pasta. The company offers 10 kinds of 3D printed pasta in the form of vases, baskets, mussels, and more. However, Blue Rhapsody can make pasta of any other shape, depending on the client's needs. The color can also be customized to your individual order. The manufacturer assures the company uses special flour and dough containing only natural ingredients of the highest quality and without artificial dyes. The printer can print a whole pasta pack at a time, and each pack costs more than €30. The reason is that the dough for the 3D pasta is made in small quantities to ensure freshness and a perfect texture. Secondly, it's designed to create a culinary masterpiece rather than for just everyday use. Huge range of possibilities. However, if you want to create complex objects consisting of several parts and different materials, you will need additional tools. But not if you're using the ZMorph VX. The device offers you several useful tools in one. The model comes with a 1.75mm plastic extruder. There's also a dual extruder that provides advanced 3D printing options. You can choose between 2-material 3D printing, color blending, image mapping, and printing with PVA filament. According to the manufacturer, ZMorph VX is compatible with almost all 3D printing materials on the market. In addition, the ZMorph VX includes a CNC Pro nozzle for milling and cutting, a laser head for engraving and cutting, and an optional extruder for ceramics. ZMorph VX features accuracy measured in microns. Despite all of its features, the device is extremely easy to operate. The powerful software turns the printer into a CNC router or a laser engraver in less than a minute, just by changing the configuration on the touchscreen. The size of the ZMorph VX is also outstanding given its potential. It doesn't take up more than half a desk width, so it's perfect for small businesses. Create new and better technology. That's what the company's Steelcase, the Skylar Tibbetts self-assembly lab at MIT, and product designer Christoph Guberan did. Together, they tried to find a way around the three main drawbacks of 3D printing: low speed, small scale, and low quality. As a result, the team presented a revolutionary liquid printing technology at the Milan Design Week. The process drastically differs from anything you might have seen. If other printers create figures by printing them layer by layer, this device prints 3D models inside the raw material. It can be any liquid substance, for example, rubber, foam, or plastic. This method allows you to create 3D objects faster. The team of engineers has already confirmed it. In Milan, they demonstrated the baseline worktop, which took only 28 minutes to produce. In another experiment using liquid printing, they were able to reduce the time required to create a three-dimensional structure from 50 hours to an impressive record time of 10 minutes. Developers hope that in the foreseeable future, the technology will allow printing huge objects in a matter of minutes. The VX4000 is the world's biggest 3D printing system for sand molds. The total job box measures 4 meters in length, 2 meters in width, and 1 meter in height. Despite its size, the VX4000 isn't a slow or low-quality 3D printer, all thanks to a unique and patented layering process specially adapted by the company VoxelJet for this model. Instead of lowering the platform during the printing process, here the print head and recoater rise with each layer. Along with a fast loading and unloading system, this allows the VX4000 to create 3D models non-stop. The VX4000 printhead system can achieve a precise resolution of up to 300 dpi, and the layer formed in just 2 passes is 300 micrometers thick. Despite its impressive performance, there's one drawback that we have to mention. You won't find a room at home big enough for this printer.